या आप एक नया घर बना रहे हैं, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। लेकिन अगर आप अपने घर को और ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर और ड्यूरेबल बनाना चाहते हैं, concrete supercoat is applied directly to the surface of concrete, slabs, water tanks, swimming pools, bathrooms, basements, and foundation. It is applied after cleaning all the unwanted loose materials or unwanted aggregates. After that, grouting, plugging, and repairing is done. It is a waterproofing product used for roofs. It is a sealer that penetrates and bonds to concrete to form a durable, water-resistant seal. It is a scientific technology that seals all honeycombing and pores in the concrete. Concrete supercoat dries fast, and after applying and drying time, it will become insoluble. It is a two-coat application that is applied directly to concrete. This product is a waterproofing agent, which can be applied to roofs during construction and has a longer life. It also has good bonding. It can also be applied after construction in both conditions. It will protect the home from water damage. After application, you can add flooring, tiles, marble flooring, and panel flooring, etc. with no worries. Because concrete supercoat strengthens the binding of concrete with any type of flooring. It has 3 years of warranty. But if you want to increase its strength, then after flooring apply more 2 coats of our super mega heat and water resistant membrane with 10 years warranty. Call now for limited time free inspection services. RoofsLeakage.com.